From Pensacola, Florida, we have Marika, a journalism major in her junior year. She's going to tell us about her experience as an out-of-state student and how ACU's residence halls created a home away from home her freshman year. Tell us all about it, Marika.
Thanks for the introduction, Alex. I always knew that I wanted to leave my hometown in Florida and see what else was out there, but who would have guessed I'd find myself 13 hours away from home? As an out-of-state student, making ACU my home was really important to me, and residence life did not disappoint where it mattered the most. I admit, being so far from home was difficult at first. However, I was surrounded by an entirely new community with exciting activities like football games, volunteering, and student government events to keep me engaged in building relationships. I'm still involved in a lot of things here on campus. I'm the historian for the Black Student Union, a member of the debate team, and because I believe so much in the power of our community on campus, I'm the senior resident assistant at Barrett Hall. Speaking of, you're going to love our residence halls. At ACU, first and second year students live on campus. We have a brand new freshman village in the works with the opening of Bullock Hall this past year and the new addition of Wessel Hall, which will house our Honors College living community and our learning community with faculty and residents. Residence life is such an amazing way to be involved on campus. Between hall events and lobby hours, living on campus creates a close-knit community for all of our students. I love the years I spent on campus being a part of the community here and helping build it for each incoming class. I've learned so much about myself and serving others while working for residence life, and while I'm still a year away from graduation, I hope you'll find me advocating for others and telling more stories about my time at ACU. Back to you, Alex.
There really are so many different ways to build your community here at ACU. Marika, it is amazing how you continue to give back to the organizations that have had such a powerful impact on you. Keep it up. That was awesome.